We don't provide a solution which automatically translates your C code and auto-parallelizes it and runs it on the GPU. There have been lots of research in that area, and it's interesting. We took a more explicit approach. Just like C is a explicit language, it's what you see is what you get kind of programming. We wanted to provide a solution that was still explicit. Wasn't relying on compiler magic to auto-parallelize your code. So one thing we knew the GPU was very good at is massively parallel computations, running thousands of pixel computations all at the same time. And when you translate that over into the computing space, that's just simply running lots of threads at the same time, a massive number of threads at the same time. And threading is a model that everyone understands. Your basic C programmer understands what a thread is. And in CUDA, we just sort of continue down that path and provide that as a basic primitive. The big difference between doing multi-threading on a CPU and massive threading on the GPU is that our GPU architecture loves threads. It consumes threads. It uses threads to hide all the system latencies and keep everything running at max performance. So unlike on a CPU where if you start having 4, or 8, or 16 threads, performance really starts to degrade because of all the thread context switching. Our GPU loves threads, and we give it tens of thousands of threads with every kernel execution, and the more the merrier. And I encourage programmers to just keep pushing the limits, and it loves it and eats it up and keeps all the units busy. From a developer standpoint, that's fine too, because often the problems that they're trying to solve are massively parallel ones. They have lots of data. We just tell them, kick off a thread per data element. It's okay. You can, the GPU can handle it, and actually that's the preferred programming model. So it really simplifies their problems down to, okay, what is the unit of work I need to do? I'll create a thread to do that, and I probably have 10,000 of those, different parallel work items that I need to do. Just kick it off. So we really try to make it simple, familiar to C programmers, and exposing a simple threading model made total sense for us.